Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips and a quick video about this boxed Ham International Multimode 2 that I got in for some modifications and a good check over. So I thought I'd do a quick video about it as I don't see many boxed ones. Now there's a microphone. Now I believe this is genuine because of the metal microphone hook on the back. I believe that was metal on genuine ones. So I have all the genuine accessories. So, very nice. So we'll put all those back. Let's have a look at this nice radio. So I believe it's in quite good condition. And in the box we have a warranty card. And we have the instruction manual. Very nice. So I was just checking against serial numbers there, and the serial number doesn't match the warranty card, but it does match the box. So I don't know what's going on there. You can see the serial number's 15 on that. Or 1015, and that's 1017 on the card. Don't know whether that's normal. Anyway, nice to see an original instruction manual. And we have a schematic at the back. Very nice. Now I have done a high resolution scan of this, and it's available in my Facebook group should you wish to own that schematic. And it has come out quite nice under high resolution scanning. So yeah, the case could do with a bit of a tidy up, but that's to be expected for a 40-year-old radio. A little bit dirty on the front, but we'll give that a clean up later, ready for him to take it back home. But apart from a couple of little marks here and there, this is in very, very, very good condition on the front. Normally they're really battered. So let's have a look inside. He did tell me that it was immaculate inside, and looking at it first, yes, it does look quite immaculate inside. Doesn't look like anybody's been fiddling in there at all. Very nice. It seems to have a bigger crystal filter as well. I'm wondering if that was fitted on the earlier ones, because the date code on the PLL was 1980 on this one, so I'm not sure whether this is one of the earlier Multimode 2s, but that crystal filter is definitely bigger than what I'm normally used to seeing. So, looking at the underside of the board, to be expected, completely untouched. So whilst I'm working on this radio, I've taken all the knobs off, I've taken the front off. I'm going to store it. Store the knobs and screws in a bag. I'm going to put the front in another bag. I'm going to store that away in the box until reassembly. So, preventative measure, we're going to do the old C11. We're going to do the bias resistor. Get that looking good. So originally bias was 5-ish volts. So as always, bring it up to 0.7. And any of the things you see in this video will be covered in later videos. I've just made this a short video as I've got a multi-mode video coming up. So two-tone test. A little bit flat at the top, but not too bad. So we can just bring that down just a little bit. I think that was RV11 we need to adjust for that. So yeah, just bring the flat topping down a little bit, get it a little bit more uniform. Okay, looking good. And that's my two-tone tester I was using for this. So there's the parts I've removed, C11 and the 10 ohm resistor. So we're just going to have a test of find out where the AVR voltage is on the board for my voltage feed VCO, and luckily there's a nice point on the board there, and there's actually a hole you can put the cable through, so it makes it really neat. I'll go into a bit more detail in another video, but nice VCO lock, everything's looking good. So there's my mod board in, and for this configuration we're just using plus 40 and minus 40 on this, and he's requested the bleep to be removed, so that's come out, no traces of it left. And we've started on disassembling the band switch. So we disabled the 1 to 40 by putting a cable to earth, so we can get rid of that totally. And we've also wired up on 2 front switches, minus 5 and plus 10 kc. See, everything nice and neat down there. So the next job is to disassemble the band switch. So this is it, near enough complete. Got all the crystal trimmers wired up, we've got the crystals wired up, and we've got the plus 40 and minus 40. So with this configuration, the original radio was mid high, super high, so now it goes low, mid high, super, super high. And we've also done the modification on T4 to level out the power a little bit. So I've tried to keep it as neat as possible. There we have it. A nice Multimode 2 in absolutely excellent condition. And I hope he's going to be happy with this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the Facebook group, and we'll see you in the next video.